I am the king of the fingers, the jungle VIP. I reached the top and had to stop, and that's what's worrying me.
Good morning, guys. So this is our second day in Manali, but practically first morning, and we are out for a walk, a village walk, mountain walk, whatever you call it. It's a nature walk.
We have traveled to Manali during coronavirus pandemic and have reached here on October 1, the first day it opened for tourists again. Today our hike is above Vashisht in Manali to a place locals call Bara Patthar. The hike is beautiful from the beginning itself, with water streams on one side and lush green jungle on the other.
We are with a bunch of seasoned hikers from Manali, and they are basically leading us. Apparently, there's been no incidence of corona in Manali in the recent times. Although we are carrying our masks and we are wearing them off and on, we really don't find it necessary. There's a lot of distancing. It's all out in the open, like it is pure oxygen. I mean, this is a new thing. Normally, in our last trips to Manali, we haven't done anything like this. So this spontaneous nature walk in a very uncharted area is this tour's gain for us.
It's not safe to wear masks when you are trekking because you need to inhale a lot of oxygen while trekking or doing any physical activity. So we took off our masks, and we also got our corona tests done before starting for this Manali journey. And if you haven't watched our video about our corona test, you can just click this link. It will appear somewhere on the screen, and you can check out that video. That's a wild mushroom.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah. Apart from the pleasures of hiking, we are learning a lot about the local agriculture here. So there are apple orchards everywhere in Himachal, but we got to see some walnut trees. So there's this walnut tree, and we saw
that one.
these creepers of kidney beans, rajma, as you say. A lot of villagers, they just grow these rajma for their own personal use. And this is something very exotic for city people like us. So we've trekked up a little more, and the view has changed completely here. Now we can see some bit of snow-capped hills too.
After an hour-long hike, we have reached Bara Patthar, the highest point till where we had decided to trek up.
I am the king of the fingers, the jungle VIP. I reached the top and had to stop, and that's what's worrying me. Jungle from school days, 40 years ago.
So it's the highest we've come today. So our trekking actually takes us to this highest point, from where we can see a view of the whole valley. It's breathtakingly beautiful, and it wasn't very strenuous, it wasn't very treacherous, it was pretty smooth for us. And we are out of hibernation, and we could still trek up to this place without any difficulty. That's a lot of achievement for us, and we believe that we still have it in us. We're very happy about it. We are like thrilled beyond words.
That is why I'm not worried about it.
So you see the white cloth. So that's a tree groom. It's a ritualistic thing when girls, not a great practice I think, married off to trees. So that's a groom. So there's this. She's wearing a white marriage shawl, and then also wearing the sacred red thread.
And we are now on our way back. It was like little more than an hour, but the time flew just like that. And can't tell you how happy I am to be in mountains once again after so many months. It felt like we'll never be able to do it. I mean, this corona pandemic, sometimes you tend to lose hope. and it felt like we'll never be able to do it again. We are so happy to be in mountains again.
On our return, we are planning to take a different route downhill that goes through some beautiful water streams and very picturesque locations. We reached a small meadow at the top, and the sunlight here looked heavenly. The fresh breeze was panacea for our city lungs. This was a perfect place to catch our breath and to take some what they call hashtag no filter pics. We followed a gradient path, stopping to appreciate the beautiful foliage on this hill. Alongside the pine and deodar trees, we came across rajma and pumpkin creepers. We also spotted mushrooms and wood roses. On the way down, we crossed apple orchards. The bunches of red and green apples looked very tempting. We broke some fresh apples and had them straight in the orchard.
Last time when we were in Chhindwara, we were in an orange orchard and we plucked fresh oranges from the trees and ate them. This time we are in Himachal and we are actually trekking through an apple orchard. So these are the fresh apples that we got from here, and they taste super delicious. They're sweet and sour and crunchy, and unlike what we get in the market. Even Vedavara is having apples. Can you believe this?
I can't. When you are in Rome,
Do what Romans do.
ये सॉर्टिंग आउट हो रही है कि कौन सा एप्पल किस 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 ग्रेड का है।
ग्रेड का है,
अलग अलग ग्रेड के ये कर रहे हैं।
राइट, वो राजमा सुख है।
राजमा सूप।
It was already noon and we had parathas for brunch. After this trekking, we had finally earned every bite of this meal. Through this hike, we could experience an offbeat side of Manali this time. Later in the day, we are planning to go all touristy and visit Manali Mall Road after lockdown. Do check out our before and after Corona video on Manali Mall Road. We are coming up with more videos from our Manali trip soon. Subscribe to Delhi Fundu's YouTube channel and press the bell icon to be notified for the next travel videos. And as usual, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video.